What's up, gang? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Smash in the building, man. Y'all see what's going on. We done made our way to a car show, but we doing something crazy right now, man. Check in for this one, guys. All right, gang, we back, man. As you see, we done made our way to Street Car Takeover, man. It's some pretty cool cars around here. Kind of got here a little late, though, so a lot of people were checking out. So I'm gonna drop a couple clips that y'all can see in there so you can see a couple of the cars that I've seen. But the main reason why I started recording is because of this. So as y'all see, we got the throttle body ported. You know what I mean? Not necessarily ported, but we got the flange welded on and everything. But look what this is why I love these guys. Look what they doing. So as you know, this is Sean and this is Scott. This is my electrical guy. This is my mechanic. Well, you know what I'm saying? My other mechanic, as you can say, because I got two of them. But look what they doing, guys. This shit's so fucking funny. Look, when I tell you, they are not playing around. We are swapping the throttle body. You see cars at a car meet, literally, guys. Look out here. We are at Street Car Takeover party right now. Like I said, a lot of people have left. Look at some of these cars out here. This truck is nasty, though. As you see, the music is in the background, so I'm trying to talk a little bit over that. Look at this color on this thing. Nasty. But like I said, guys, we're at a car meet right now. We're literally at a car meet, and they are about to swap the throttle body right now. This is insane, and then they're not fucking around. Look at this shit, man. Literally. So, I'm gonna pull the throttle body out the car so y'all can see it, and then we're gonna get some shit going. Okay, nice little blower on there. All right, guys, as you can see, I done pulled the throttle body out the car. We got the box right here. Get this out the way. Got the bolts right there. Had to make sure because I was like, oh shit, I hope I didn't leave those. But we got this beautiful billet. I'm trying to make sure I grip it right so we don't let it fall. Nick Williams, guys. This thing is gorgeous. We got the flange welded on. Big shout out to my boy Josh. You know what I'm saying? And look, like I said, billet joint, guys. This thing is nasty. Gorgeous. So I'm definitely eager to see. Let me put that down so we don't have that slip and everything. Definitely eager to see how this car reacts with this bad boy, man, because I'm excited. I'm ready, man. And hey, like I said, we at a car meet. This is crazy. We're literally at a car meet right now. So, man, big shout out to them, man. Big shout out to them, man. This is crazy. That over there sound real good. Got a nice little chop to it. I don't know if y'all can see it over there, that blue joint. Yeah. Oh, he coming this way. Nah, he had now. Yeah, she sounds good for sure. All right, guys, look at this, man. I think what? The throttle body's off. The throttle body is off, literally. This is crazy. And look, like I said, they not playing around. This is wild, guys. This is wild. So, man, insane. Literally insane. Literally. Who comes to a car meet and say, you know what? Let's make some upgrades. Let's make some upgrades. Fuck it. Let's put it on now. Let's test this bitch out as soon as we leave. Crazy as hell, but let's appreciate the car. She looking beautiful. Ooh-wee. Sitting nice and pretty, man. Definitely nice. Man, this is crazy. All right, we'll be back. Let's appreciate this thing. Look at the color on this thing. You got the wheels, the color, white joint on the blue, LS swap. You see the Vortec in there, man. This is okay. Somebody over there getting it. This is clean, y'all. This is clean. What y'all think about this? Let me know what you think about this one in the comments. Oh yeah, I dig it. Definitely dig it. All right, guys, look what we got here. That ain't the regular throttle body that we just had on there, y'all. Man, oh man, this thing is, look, and we still at the car show, guys. It's thinning out, but we still at the show. I mean, it wasn't supposed to be over till 10, to be honest. You know, quite a few people just headed out already, but we still at the show. Alright guys, check out this thing that's been sitting over here though. This thing is pretty sweet. So this is his version of the unicorn, as you can see. You see he got the name, you know. This thing is pretty nuts. As you see, it's Pro Charge. The motor setup is nuts. I ain't gonna lie, that's pretty crazy, but this thing is pretty dope. Definitely pretty dope. We went with the polished joint. Yeah, I dig it. And it's all-wheel drive. He built it on the truck frame and everything. This thing is pretty sweet. Look at the inside of it for sure. Look how he did the inside. Steering wheel, handbrake, shifter, roll cage. Come on now. A work of art. Definitely a work of art. This thing is crazy for sure. Alright guys, look what we got here. Hey, this is crazy. Look at that thing shiny, y'all. Shiny. Crazy, 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 man. Definitely can't wait, man. Alright guys, so as you see, we didn't pull the damn thing apart. You see the inside of the piping and everything. So man, we making good progress. This is pretty crazy. So almost got it. Oh, you tighten up the bottom bolts. That's what it is. Ah, you got to get down there to the bottom bolts. So like I said, we slowly making our way, guys. Slowly making our way. And we still at the show. We definitely still at the show. We mocking this shit down, man. We definitely are. Okay. Sound clip. Alright. It's cold as hell and he revving it, but hey. No, you're fine. Yeah, it's nasty. Okay. I know that motherfucker cold though. I know he just got in there. Whew. They rev him cold, brother? Just boom! Let that bitch go. No, this don't sound good. Yeah, he want him over there. He definitely want him over there for sure. And that truck sound pretty good, y'all. Parachute. He must mean business now. Alright guys, so they got this one buttoned up. It took me and Sean a minute to get this one on. Scotty's kind of seeing how that shit went, because that shit was what'd you say, Scotty? How you feeling about that, bud? Yeah, I know, man. That shit sucks. Me and Sean took us a minute to get that. You really got to massage that perfectly. Like, you got to get that ring nice and centered. Then you got to get the bottom part of it too. This thing is, it's one of those things to get it on. But I always appreciate them. They know I appreciate them. As we know, as you see, the throttle body is on though. The throttle body is on. So this, hey, man, oh man. Oh, he's putting the clamp on. Are we done? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, he think it popped out. Oh, okay. He's just checking it. We'll be back when everything's buttoned up. Oh my goodness, guys. This is the shit we gotta deal with. So we had to put the clamp on first because it wouldn't slide on without us putting the phone first. And hopefully we can massage it. Let me know if you need any assistance, but anything I can do. So this shit.
That's the problem. I can't get my fingers behind anymore to adjust this ring here.
Oh.
See if I can work.
Let me see what we get in here. Got the Hellcat over there, revving. Man. So we're running into some issues, guys. We can't get we literally got everything buttoned up, but we cannot get this last clamp on. Oh man, this thing sucks.
I think it would help.
So we're working at it, trying to see what we can do, but as of right now, kind of at a standstill. So I'll check back when we get some more info. Shit cold too, boy. They don't mind revving it cold, I'll tell you that. Alright guys, so they went into the shop and they went to grind down the damn tab. So hopefully this shit works. It's not gonna be the prettiest right now, but Hey, we're gonna see if this shit works. Man, this should definitely be interesting. Let's pray to God this damn thing fits. Uh-oh. Is it squeezing? Is it still tight?
Oh. Most of them ever were.
Yep. We'll figure it out. Too. Alright. Yeah. Got the Halloween joint on there. Alright guys, we gotta take our L. We had to take our L. So we couldn't get the damn clamp. We literally had everything ready, but we couldn't get the clamp to fit in that spot. We even, as you see, we even grounded it down some on both sides just to see if we can get it, you know. So definitely shout out to Curtis, you know, for doing that, man. We definitely appreciate you. But get my camera, there we go. Now we got to focus. But yeah, it didn't work out. So we got the stock throttle body back on right now. And then, you know, we're going to put the clamp, basically everything back together. We're going to figure this situation out because this ain't going to beat me for sure. We definitely going to figure this out.
Everyone's always like, what are you going to say, Throttle?